Hey guys, so this video is about finding the angle of depression, and again we don't have a diagram, so we need to draw it. Alright, so the problem says, from an airplane at an altitude height of 1200 meters, the angle of depression to a rock on the ground measures 28 degrees. Find the distance from the plane to the rock. Okay, so again, let's start off with our horizontal line. Okay, from an airplane, the angle of depression. So our airplane is here, and because this is an angle of depression, we're not going up anymore, we're going down. So if we draw this down, again, we are going to end up with a right triangle. Because this is an angle of depression, that means this right here is 28 degrees. Okay, so let's continue getting information from the problem. So from an airplane at an altitude height of 1200. So that means the distance from the airplane to the ground is 1200. Now I don't have a side here, but I have a side here. So I can just write 1200 meters here. And then it says that the angle of depression to a rock on the ground. So from the airplane looking down, it's looking down at this rock. We want to find the distance from the plane to the rock. So we want to find this here. Okay, so here we're having pretty much an upside down triangle. Well, we can figure that out if we label the sides appropriately. So I'm just going to write SOHCAHTOA here, a little abbreviation, and I'm going to start labeling the sides. So with respect to the perspective of this angle, this is going to be my opposite. I can just draw a little arrow. This is going to be my opposite, and this is going to be my hypotenuse. And the only trig function that uses opposite and hypotenuse is our sine. So I can then write my equation as the following. Sine of 28 degrees is the opposite, which is 1200, over the hypotenuse, which is x. Okay, so I'm going to set this up as a proportion again and cross multiply. I end up with x sine 28 equals 1200. Now, this doesn't give me any type of value if I plug it into the calculator, and I can't really plug it into the calculator because I need a number for x. So this is what I'm going to do, a second manipulation, and divide both sides by the trig function. And you don't want to divide by 28, you want to divide by sine of 28, or it's a completely different number from 28. Okay, so now my equation looks like the following. 1200 divided by sine of 28, and then I'm going to round that. I'm going to write 1200 divided by sine of 28 degrees, and that gives me approximately, going to round to nearest tenth again because it didn't tell me where to round, 2,556.1 meters. And that is the distance from the plane to the rock. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I will make more videos for you guys later. Bye!